Hi guys, it's Art, foreignmre.com, and today we got a package in from Nathan's MRE. He sent this a couple weeks ago, so we'll put a link in the description to his channel. So let's open it up, see what we have. Just love these easy open boxes. It seems like the post office boxes keep getting cheaper and cheaper all the time. And just found out last week that the postage is going up. Isn't that great? All right, let's see what he sent us. Oh man. Okay, got a menu number 2, pork rib. Oh man, I've been wanting to try this one too. Menu number 8, beef patty. And then the last one, oh, did I get that? I got a menu number 4, a cheese veggie omelet. And as everybody knows, they call this the Vomlet. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and review this one now. So give me a second, be right back. Okay, so here we are, we've got the menu number 4, the cheese and veggie omelet. Now, everybody calls this the Vomlet. I guess we're going to find out why. This was produced from 2005 to 2008, and in 2009, it was replaced with the maple sausage. So, let's open it up, see what we have inside. First thing we have, the cheese omelet with vegetables. It has a production date of the 205th day of 2016. Got the hot water bag, got a flameless ration heater, got the crackers, blackberry jam, we have a beverage base raspberry, we have the spoon, which we're not going to use, we have a toaster pastry, frosted brown sugar, here we have a cinnamon scone, that ought to be good, and we have the hash browns with bacon, and we have the accessory pack. So first thing we have is some napkins, or whatever you want to use them for. We have a book of matches, package of salt, a small bottle of Tabasco sauce, 2 pieces of gum, moist towelette, and here's something I've never had before, the spiced cider instant apple flavored drink. So let me get a tray to put this on and I'll be right back. Okay, got everything out on the tray. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Vomlet and the hash browns and bacon, and I'm going to go ahead and boil those. And on the there's no coffee in here. I'm wondering if we should heat this up. No? So we'll get these the mains boiling, and then I'll get some glasses with some water. Okay, well, we're waiting on the mains to heat up. I've got some glasses here. The apple cider says to mix with 6 ounces of water. It's pretty hard. Hopefully it'll be okay. See if I can open it without making a big mess like I usually do. Yeah, it's not as hard as I thought it was. And then for the beverage based raspberry, it calls for 20 ounces of water. I think I've got about 18 here. And of course, we threw away the MRE spoon, but who needs that when you have the foreignmre.com spork. The next thing I want to open up is the cinnamon scone. And I'm starting to wonder, should I have actually heated this up. And we have the oxygen absorber. Wow, smells good, smells fresh. And then next, let's open up the toaster pastry. Try and get it out in one piece. Of course not. Looks pretty good. And smells really good. Then the next thing, we'll open up the crackers. See if we can hear a hiss. Yes. These crackers are almost always good. Got a few little pieces breaking off, but that's all right. And smell good. And then let's open up the blackberry jam. We give it a try on the crackers while we're waiting on the mains. Wow, looks good. Oh man, that is really good. Never had the blackberry jam before, but on a scale of 1 to 10, man, it's definitely a 10. Okay, so I'll be right back. Let me get the mains. Okay, I'm back. I've got everything heated up. So, the hash browns has a production date of the 199th day of 2006. Let's get those out. Of course, it's got the tear notch, but it doesn't always work. And these are really hot too. As you can probably see the steam coming off. And we've got the cheese veggie omelet, 205th day of 2006. Now, I've never had this before, but everybody tells me this is the worst ration that was ever made. And look at that. Well, it doesn't smell bad. So, let's check out the hash browns here. Looks like some small cut up potatoes and a piece of bacon. So let's give that a try. Wow, this is really good. This would really be good if I had some pepper to put on there. And then, oh man, the veggie cheese omelet. Look at that. So let's give that a try. Oh man, this thing is terrible. Look at the texture of that. Ugh, man. Let's try some of the Tabasco on here. All right, let's try the veggie omelet. Actually, with the Tabasco sauce on it, it's not too bad. Let's try a little Tabasco on the hash browns. See if that improves anything. Oh yeah, that makes the hash browns taste a lot better. So Let's try our cinnamon scone. Looks good. Smells really good. You know, it's 2006, so it's 12 years old. Yeah, tastes pretty good to me. See if we can put some jam on there. That is really good. And then let's try our frosted cinnamon pastry. That is very good. Let's try our raspberry drink. As you can see, there's no more floaties in there. Well, maybe a couple. Wow, that is very good. Really like that. And then we have our apple cider. And let's give that a try. And that as well is good. So overall, this is a pretty good meal. And you see that, you know, I was gonna sprinkle it out over the omelet. And just like everybody knows, with me and the pepper, it all goes into one place. So the omelet, the cheese veggie omelet is not really that bad with the Tabasco sauce. Wow, you know, it's a little past lunchtime, and I think I'm gonna eat this omelet. So, all right, here's what we got here. Cinnamon scones, I give it a 10. Hash browns, without the Tabasco, I give it a 7. With the Tabasco, I give it about a 9.5. The cinnamon pastry, frosted, I give it a 10. Crackers, always a 10. And Tabasco sauce, can't go wrong with Tabasco sauce. And the cheese veggie omelet, I give it about an 8. And like I said, I'm gonna finish it off. Then the raspberry drink, definitely a 10. And the apple cider, I give it about a 6. So overall, I recommend this meal. It's very good. And like I said, as soon as I finish reviewing this, I'm eating it. And we'll take a look at the wet nap. And, you know, it's just a flimsy wet nap. But it's good and wet. So anyway, guys, that's gonna be everything for the 2006 menu number 4 cheese veggie omelet. And I give it a thumbs up. And as always, you can get your fresh discounted ration. You can't get this ration because we only sell foreign MREs. But you can get your fresh discounted ration at foreignmre.com. Thanks for watching.